I have told you in short that all these measures, if they are not taken, this crime will only increase. So if we want control on crime, then we have to take these measures. I am ready to assist as a MLA of the constituency, as the representative of the people, the representative of the coastal belt businessmen. I am ready to take the responsibility. आमच्या लोकांनी ही सगळी रेस्टॉरंटां भाड्याक दिल्ली आनी हे भाड्याक जी दिल्या हे कितें करूंक सोदता ते तेंकाच खबर आहा. What they exactly want to do over there. They just want to make more and more money on whose cost. म्हणजे ते सगळे rules जे आहा ते break करून ते करूंक सोदता.
So it looks like the police does not want to take so moto action. They want instructions from somebody from top.
There is nothing
political
like that.
instruction,
I have told very clearly yesterday, and whoever is going to be the in charge of the police station, I will continuously work with him to see that these so-called touts, guides, illegal guides are booked on daily basis. We will see that Tito's lane goes back to its original Tito's lane. आधी आम्ही बरी टिटोज लेन केल्ली, कोण म्हणटालो ती IT लेन कशी दिसता, कोण म्हणटालो असली इतली बरी लेन जाल्ली आहा टिटोज लेन, ती आतां बिगडत गेल्ली आहा. सो ते परत सारके करपा खातीर जे कितें जाय, आय विल ऑल्सो टॉक टू पंचायत and tell them, let us have the meeting together, let us give them whatever infrastructure they want. We will put do's and don'ts to all those clubs and restaurants, whoever are trying to do something